Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a candle empties with mini reviews. First off, I want to talk about a Bath & Body Works candle, and this is the Sweet Pea candle. And this burned okay. I mean, I feel like they always burn how they're supposed to, but once this one got down low, it just did not want to burn anymore. I may cut this wax out and use it in my wax burner because it smells amazing. This brings me back to 8th grade, 9th grade, when I really loved this body mist from them. This Sweet Pea lotion, body mist, all that stuff. I loved it so very much. Like, so much. I definitely went through a vanilla phase, the country apple, the cucumber melon, and Sweet Pea for sure, and Love Spell by Victoria's Secret. Just totally random. I'm sure a lot of you did too. But this smells amazing. I would definitely repurchase this. I luckily found this one at my local flea market for only $1. I could not believe someone was selling this for $1. And it was a full candle, by the way. Yeah, so amazing. Definitely would purchase again. This scent fills the entire home. Yes, it's fantastic. I think most of you would agree that Bath & Body Works candles are a definite recommendation. From Dollar General, I have Perfect Harvest Spiced Apple Cider. This smells amazing in the jar. I do think that these would make cute gifts. I always say that, but I do. They're only $1. They always have seasonal scents. I do like these, but if you were looking for a candle that is going to give you a throw for many rooms, these are not it. These only work in my kitchen and dining room. I can smell it, because I always burn my candles in my kitchen. You know, it's good. It's good, don't get me wrong. I would repurchase this particular scent any day. I love anything apple cider kind of scents, especially for fall. I think you can't beat $1, and as you can tell, it burnt really well all the way down. No mishaps with that candle, other than it just doesn't have a very strong throw. The next one from Perfect Harvest I have is Cranberry Crumble Cake. Just like you would expect, it does have that cranberry scent overpowering everything else. It's a light cranberry scent, and this one only filled the kitchen. This was very faint, had a very short throw in terms of how many rooms that it had scent in, so just the kitchen. And I would not purchase this one again just for that fact. It did burn super nicely though, as you can tell. Next up, from DollarTree, I have this Wizard candle and the Winter Pine Forest scent. These are supposed to last up to 25 hours. They're comparable to Glade, and I find in most cases they absolutely are. This one had a nice pine scent. It burnt super well, as you can tell they usually do. This filled the kitchen and the dining room. I was slightly disappointed because usually pine scents are super strong. This one wasn't as strong as I would have liked, but overall would repurchase the scent again because I do like pine scents. This Wizard candle is called Sweater Season, which I love the packaging on these. Super duper cute. Burnt exceptionally well, like always. This smelled amazing. This filled the kitchen, dining room, and living room. Smells amazing. If you like warm, cozy kind of scents, yeah, this one with a little bit of like that fresh air kind of scent thrown in, this is it. This was really nice. Definitely recommend and would repurchase it. The last and final candle I have to share is from the Luminous brand, and it's one of their mason jar candles. It's 3 ounces and it's just in the scent vanilla. This is my favorite candle of the bunch. Not only did it burn really nicely as always, the scent is always nice, and it fills kitchen, living room, dining room. It smells really nice. Really enjoy this particular candle, and I've purchased this one many times in the past. So I definitely recommend this one. I think this one would make for great gift giving because it has the cute jar and the scent is really nice. Basic vanilla, but it is very good. Has a very nice throw on it. that is all the candle empties I have to share with you today. Hope you enjoyed the mini reviews, found them helpful. Maybe you'll try one of these candles out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links, and thank you so much for watching.